Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Eka Magualo, GPT, Eka no concon Magualo, Ogun Bazen, Oyana Ba pack all the GPC, Spirit Devil God sent, and Eka Magualo's group. I will hear you when the Spirit God sent, and the Spirit I hear you. What regardez là-bas? Regardez là-bas and come to the Umewa Table Association. Let me tell you, people, it can one out. Then I pick why I write I pick why Munchie, and I back beginning, and which I back beginning, why too lovely. It's too lovely. When I ate baka, oh, you know, muchak baby, he really, why I need, oh, Bob, 10 inches, not go for cool, not go there. Lovely, totally go to the mom because you are a bad daughter, or more dummy. I never not be away, again, I have be away, spending from where I have with so piqua. A spending I have be away, I could have used it to do soapy, I know, Nyawa, soapy, you wear. It's better. A muscle on more done. A mono you zamp your ma. A mono your ma, you know. A bemorini, I know soapy. Soapy. Lovely. Regardez. Let me play your father video. I want to play the video of lovely Ehikoya father. And I'm going to be playing this video. I'm going to be analyzing this video. Both the people that record this video and the lovely itself, you people are in soup in my hand. The people that record this video and lovely herself, or you people are in soup in my hand. Because when something is real, I know. When something become you want because you hate this person. This is why I remember when I look at the way of God is not the way of man. The way some people reason is not the way men reason. You cannot say because you hate somebody, you will not go to that person's father's house and be videoing that person. Start asking that person question as if you are an NGO, as if you are a press, as if like that person has put on fire, that you are not interviewing the person. Try to know more about the person because you know the person's son or daughter is in Europe. Is not helping his father. That have not warrant you or not give you the audacity to go to this father's house and start interviewing the father. When this daughter have not been helping the father, the man has been living. Even the man has it even better than many of you that in Europe. Oh, very lovely master who are vulnerable. I will tell you, because those are ancient house. That house you see there is 100% stronger than your cement house. That ancient house, that awakened whether you need, that house is stronger. It's stronger. That house is a bulletproof. It's stronger than your 9 inches posture. It's stronger. Now let's go there. Let me make the video mawa. And you see lovely father, papa, a lovely area. No enera. Oh mom, oh yaba, igwebe. Where must it bow lovely? Where la de pet you go to atale toto, who got talent, no got dead dojo, got talojo, where a barrister no baby, a barrister then a chamba where he, where a barrister, a lovely barrister, a whole lady, and a chamba, you cut your money there, a barrister and work when you where he, and when you work when you men when you, I didn't work blood, then we message to Franvito, where man was spell it Frankie. And Frankie where was spelling, why a barrister, man, a barrister, no, a barrister not knock on all your wee, man, knock my work on. Or put it in all the work on you, and I got a strata up, and I like you a whole lady. Where was it? You go to Baba in Nigeria with Baba, when you know where you are, or if Baba go right there. It's a clear story, new when we're not here. I need to buy working in the store where a mad David not your lovely work here story. Baba, Baba is not about me 1 year, you know. Oh, you men already a whole landscape. Okay, store anime. Where my one lovely Wesley Baba, hey, Baba, Baba, now we like him one, Baba, can Baba see one, right? Baba with DJ, Baba with DJ, love you must take digital, Baba, me one. Oh, you know, man. Oh, yeah, Mama, Bamo. Oh, yeah, Mo, Bamo. And love you know, Bamo. Oh, yeah, Mama, Bamo. Lovely no you mo egbomo o we omo mo egbomo o we aba agun epon me love do e lovely no you o agun epon me love do o we aba mo egbomo ire o we aba o mo egbomo e lovely no you mo egbomo ire e lovely no you mo egbomo e lovely mari ra e ne baba o e lovely no you mo egbomo e lovely ne baba mi baba bi we na o lovely o ke do bi baba lovely ma ko ke baba o e lovely mo egbomo o ọ̀gá mi ké single mother never hold out a lovely ọmọ ẹgbọ́mọ o lovely ọmọ dọ́kọ̀dọ́fà wá a lovely máa kókó ọ̀dọ́ lovely máa kókó ọ̀dọ́ máa kókè bàbá òwú àríjọ́ ọmọ òwú járe yìí ọmọ ẹgbọ́mọ o. ọ̀nà ìwọ̀n náà kọ́kẹ́ ra aṣọ rẹ̀. You refuse to buy this for your father. Your father is a music lover. He's a lover of music. Very handsome, good-looking man. Oh, one to me, I need to go lovely. Lovely, when no bona igbo na. When no bona igbo na, no gbivie ni vie. When na gbivie ni vie tie, rien te okenu se. Udo komu. Erugwe wa ere Nigeria. Erugwe Nigeria le joint to joint. Go le no yari ba there. As handsome as that man. Ila bo mo so la wa gbe ari ko dana. Hey ya. Jesus, abia na rigo mogwo eja mo rigo ekponu na suse ibia biwe we see one yan how does the YouTube your love ya dawe ho me o eja mo rigo ekponu na suse o ibia biwe love you mo egbomo ire zero ne baba yari eri o love you zero ne baba o e baba bi we na koku we won na o lovely zero ne baba o se ti tare baba ma gba o we o e de na bi we wo si tito ogo i o ya ba wo abi ewu yen bi omo gbo aga bi omo gbo na ra gogoro mo gbo abi o abi omo gbo na o abi omo gbo o ado ya ro omo gbo ni ado wisdom o ade wisdom mo ni afi yan ni pin ya ke afi so apu ba e ma ipin a ma ko gbe adun won na ya bi ra na ya ko ko mo omo ga won ne love ya mo ye school e ra ga dukun nu go ga de bra asa nu we o nu ya ki o kun wi ke gbo mo to re ra ri we ke koku we o we ri se we bo na we ra ri omo e ra ri era ije o lovely ọmọ ẹgbọ́mọ no dawe ọmọ ẹgbọ́mọ o lovely no ni dawe ọmọ ẹgbọ́mọ. That's the latest album. Wọ́n ní láti sunu ẹni lovely wọ́n náà ti sunu ẹni yóò wo kóòrò ní gbé adáhùn yọ gbẹnọrẹ webo un a passport Holland passport or celebrate video that they gave to you. You have been in Europe for ages. Before you be qualified to get a passport, you have spent not less than 15 to 20 years here, just a life in Holland. Having children, being a comfortable single mother. Now they call yourself comfortable single mother, and your father is in the street of Igwebe, looking for how to feed, eating from hand to mouth, and you could not assist your father. It's an error. I want to use this video to thank all the responsible single mothers, all those single mothers who have cared, even with their children benefit, they still care for their parents back home. With their children benefit, they build houses in Nigeria. With their children benefit, they remove their parents from suffering and stagger in starvation. May God bless all of you now. May God richly bless all of you now. We will not go die in small picking. We will not go die in small picking. Everything we use in our hand go, you go higher for them. For those who want to do good for, whether they want to down for, they go fall down the way. They no go ever go up. You understand me now? Because why we so somebody gets him a lovely Eikuya. Hi. I told me, I just told my tree. Oh God, I feel lovely. I feel I go have your baby. I go have your baby. Oh, if you have your lovely. If your light your candle light, I mean candle light don't finish. If your candle light don't finish, add lovely name, Jonah. Go have your baby. Oh, lovely. Go have your baby. I said, only go down. You can make you. Go have your baby. Oh, lovely. Go have your baby. Lovely. Ah, lovely. Ah. Lovely. Lovely, why you do this one? Hey, Baba, Nigeria, Baba, okay, Baba, lovely, Baba, okay, Baba, oh, lovely, Baba, okay, Baba. ọmọ ẹ wọ́n sì lè jẹ́ kárígò náà wájú ẹgbẹ́ kẹrẹ yóò ní lovely ẹ bàbá ra wù náà wá kó yá dé mí láyé bàbá ẹ bàbá ra wù náà yá dé mí là o lovely bàbá rẹ Nàìjíríà má gbà ó rẹ bàbá ẹ bàbá ra wù náà yá dé mí là o. I don't want to drink, I don't want to eat, I don't want to eat fast, I don't want to drink anything, I don't drink anything. Lovely Ehikiria, fine woman with girl petite, bad girl. Love your mic bomo, oh my bomo, love your mic bomo, oh my bomo. Lovely, look at it like that. Let me play your video. Let me play your father video. Love you, Mary, and your baba. Love you, Mary, and your baba. Oh my bomo. Go make me video here. Watch that video now. Watch you love you, you know. Love you, I'm a bummo. You love you, I don't know, Papa. Love you, I'm a bummo. Love you, love you, myself. I'm a bummo, lovely. Hey, Baba like a music, lovely, my digital, Baba. I'm a bummo. God. Yes, so my people. Today don't be smart thing. It's a shame. This is from Victor the Umewe, one of the universe, aka the social media king, aka the social media Cubana, aka the social media Otutunomoni. I just do my drink. And when you give me a mama, Marita, Maria Deyo, Maritna Narimana. Oh, one are lovely, no, a EQ, what ye go, Hunda, where you want to see your grandma. Oh, better care of your respect to winner, and without worry, but this of Yevinari, a big, then it make me, who that was also most sick, bino. If we got like social media, they might have no technology, okay, or woman, mama, ra, maybe wunda wear or manare, a support you, we no kicking me, if he man and I na yogo woman, mama yanana. Ah, that's if another make me lovely, you kill your holding over Holland. What you going or so it be? I don't guess who it be, I don't guess who it be, or don't level. Adewu Gesu egbe lovely very ni mo se me. Adewu Gesu egbe odolebu. Adewu Gesu egbe odolebu. Adewu Gesu egbe odolebu. Adewu Gesu egbe odolebu. A lovely very ni mo se me odolebu. A lovely very ni mo se me odolebu. I mo se ne bo se na ma gba ogera odolebu. Okodna mo se ne re nwa o eteno. Okodna mo se ne re nwa o eteno. A beautiful woman without brain is an injury. Hey, what they will get so egbe odo level. That they will get so egbe lovely odo level. That they will get so egbe odo level. Today is a day of lovely. Regardez là-bas. Let's hope we are going to Bengbon Sigbon. If I can remember noga. Bengbon Sigbon man. Bengbon Sigbon. Tag Bengbon Sigbon. Bengbon Sigbon master. Let's go there.
Yes. Yes. Okay. So now I need Ghana from every individual because my life as I'm living I was not so happy because I have children, but most of them don't even take care of me. And if you come to see my house is not to break down. So please, I need you people to come and help me to put everything in order.
Okay, Papa, is this your house?
No, not be out of your house.
Your house where you live. And your children, are they not doing something?
One is at Potako, the other one is at Abuja, and some of my daughters who married, their own in-laws are not living. They are not living.
You have children abroad?
It's only this
Lovely. Eikyo here.
Lovely.
Lovely.
You marry
Eikyo. Okay. So you mean now you want the foundation to help you in renovating this house?
Yes,
and also set up some business for you?
Surely that is.
Yes, so bad people. I'm going to cut us small. Because for this video, we should not take one side, maybe Lovely they misbehave, they fuck up. Till they disgrace one only Lovely. Even the person who they record this thing is the most stupid person so far I've ever seen in my life. Whosoever send you say go video that person for the full community, you know see person go video, you consider ere lovely, we hear video. Even if I don't like me. When I very lovely, why after you don't work out the full web, you know see person you want to use your phone take video, you come say na very lovely and you can't even say you want. Now you dey tell very lovely waiting you want. If this thing not be set up, this is automatically no nobody should come for this kind of me. If this thing not be set up, you understand? For the full room where you go, you not see person where you go video. Ni ba bo na la wa gbe o. That block you where you waste the time. Once I'm talking, nobody should talk. We may phone in la romi, abina igwebe. We may phone like gwebe. You don't see anybody saying you want to go record because you hate lovely. Now you even they tell your father now in your Peking name. Now you they tell your father the your Peking name. Daniela, no I get when they wire the demonic here. This is GPC wahala. That's what they say they do me. That's why they ask questions up and down around Umenwa. Now so GPC, a spirit God says no hoa like we call it and chiso. We don't buy no when you're Emily J. Vivi no zuano, never like we live have the Koguname. Oguname not barrier one of the carry up to today. You understand? We not see person, not there with the Europe with person. No not deal with the person. Now your parents for her, no one at Bell, why you check no one bell. No one you say fire. When we record the video, no one bell like bon. A foundation in a moon, you are what? A foundation on not going with foundation. You understand? You just live abroad, go Nigeria. Go spend money, give person. Now, what they are doing, no, now. The haters of a lovely Hikuya. Now they do. The people who hate lovely Hikuya. Now they go do this thing. So you just go Nigeria, just from Europe, send money, go give person Nigeria, carry phone, may go record lovely papa. After my record now, I come out. Don't be saying I get one tangible money now present to this man. Nothing wanna give the man. Nothing gonna give this man. Una just can't disgrace the man, disgrace our daughter for social media. You understand? A Monica gang, a money and a Monica gang, a money and their work na be that one. Imunia no zona, imunia ge, imuno jaran. Imi pak pataki no wairi yenia, no wa present the man na when the man ya de beji. Ero. La re we love you no ho na kwemu. Udara agbon we. Wade agbon ware after many years of igbe ajamu npo wado. At the end nothing to write home about. Eru wedding. Oh, for that matter, you want to make a big you go get a boa, you pay camp igual. For years, you have been here in Europe. Anything. Or one life you do. I want to boss sell ya with you. Oh, no, I'll go that hobo should be presentable. I'm on never go. I'm on no cook work a weekend. Unless women are be able to. A moment was, you know, 40 years, majority of the live video present long say 40 years to 30-something years. Majority of us came out from village. We have our past. You want to no. If I want to beef for my father, beef my father. When a very lovely, it's a family house. Stupid, silly people. When we are I want to go to my live video. The father house, that father house to Adegeni, it's a family house. It's not a model house. A pillar or a road that will pillar your ancient house. Ancient house, anything. When you remember what say anywhere, Masuni, why you I man was so one in the Monica Hani. Fake like people. When the money correct in Nigeria, you have video a hotel, we in a hotel in Nigeria. Then Australia to fire. This is the kind of lifestyle we live in social media. All these years. I am lovely no. Inside nonsense, there is a sense. Even though love you, the chair body may love you offend. Even though the chair body may sense the room where they pick the venota. If you get sense, you go pick something from that. Okoni, lovely, you so me no weta. And when we big boy now. Okoni big boy or go live video, you will know. You understand? You go no say sense still there inside what you need to talk. But for you people to go to your father's house, go to the video father say you now be offered, una be foundation, una want renovate your father's house. You don't renovate your own. You were the video that woman, that man. You don't renovate your own. Wait till the house where you want to renovate. If not be bad people wanna be. Wait till that lovely papa house where you want to renovate. Your own mansion is better past that house. Or Master Wani. Looking at the man of pronouncing see Nigeria, see his skin, see that man's skin, the color, they call him man, or pronounce what you're in Nigeria, Nigeria will mosquito the weird jacker. May other Muslims don't suck the blood the fed give for somebody. That man, that must be fresh like that. You will carry for the video that man, even the woman, check una self, una fresh that man. What fresh that man? Una fish about carry that man, also show me that called disgrace. Man with a clap hand for now. Man with a clap hand for now. Ni va bona lawa be vagbon. I won't done. About career. This is what I hate, and I'll be fighting against this thing. Recording of these people conversation. I have my family, I have video now. If I bona lawa. When you go, you go. Or when you go. I cannot go and say, "What record there? When you need social media, what will that benefit? If you bring them a personality." It will go threatening any affair on any jagged in Equa. Or may say 2 days. 2 days. I went go live video, born like live video, and at the end, it's Saru Anissa. I second work, I will not buy a second of a sister. No level. No level. Just want to disgrace that man. If now you ain't go record that person, you can't disgrace yourself. Because the man handsome, the man fine finish, the man clean. Even as Nigeria say as specified. See as specified. Many women get that camera. Now many single women that when they look for husband, if they see that camera, lovely, because they go grab them. They go grab that camera. When he boosts for double whiting, when they go, that's what most say. See as old as that man, green the man get cute. We go. There you see how most you. There you balance for very. What do back to if I bought lawa. And when we lucky we might dead face we don't have video. Oh, let's dead face we. You better near post a picture where in your better on me post a picture where now. But no what do no what video ni. Let me face we. In your better near post a picture. A foundation go to sue any foundation way. A foundation okay, feel level. A foundation when they to sweating live video ni, a video now, they to sweating foundation when okay, feel level. Very anyhow people. Very anyhow people. A love you know what was Zuwase. So we're not bound anywhere. What about people be a webo? But when I forget to go on beware. When I see the kind of lifestyle with some women, they get bad mind past men. If they are equal in the room, or we need them make so, they are very wicked. Or make be so much of people. A love an example one. A love the equal example no. Now example mo go down hand na. Let bow right. For your father to go open mouth and tell those kind of words. When me wajina, imagine be while the phone yare gbura le gba no about umenwa or tia or honey marry one naira guinea. One naira honey marry get for the past 4 months, 5 months, 6 months. When we phone new year time or where umenwa or when wa oh hama where umenwa ni a me bomeni no nya le bomi a me bomeni also atia we or atia or tia no no see so oguma or atia I mean what where you know the try. You know the try at all. Who did hear lovely? Who here? You are a fuck up woman. Or the man who is here, who was up for a worry. You prefer what you know what you might make one of the family on there. o do ngba unyine we magu we gwolo do nuri home nuri jera mo na mugo yo hu nuri responsible woman yo wa ero nu uri u he ko re mo do me no we uri u ori la Holland wa salo no ri kon we de de amuri ori la wa gbo de bi we kwa who ma gen jok be ori looking at you on your live stream and na say love your dictionary we ere dictionary we o gbe agbo oko ya me ogbe ezegbe no yari abe ni piawo e wa mi ni kwo e ra gun ani nwo o ga gun to no he's talking as a man but ga we gun no ban wa yan ka dogun wa o yan ka dogun o pe ara ti gun e kini waye wa gun se e on re live video presenter la gun o pe agbo wa change ere o pe te gun wa change ere wa no nu se gbogbo ade pe we na le gbe papo gbon. Then you expect man that have wisdom, from traditional man, not to move where you are. With all the nuisance in our constitution, with all the nyanga penalty going, you expect a man not to move where you are. You see the way your father was talking. She's talking, he's smiling. Ain't no problem. They just want to fool you. They want to fool you. When on a problem, when he's talking on screen, you will know. When she's talking, when a mother has problem, when he's talking, before you can go, someone donate to go there, someone call over and how will this help this man? Look at him when he was talking. He's relaxed and comfortable. They just want to fool you. Because who here? Who here now? Audi 80 is 1.3 now, 1.4. Audi 80 egg. You can buy Audi 80 naira under 5 months. So Audi 80, even though you're not working, you go the government, you can be gathering that money away to 200,000 or 500,000. You can gather that money and order Audi 80 for your father to be working. As a woman loves his father, nothing to write him about. When I say lover of music, you know what your father wants. You know what the father can do. Wherever 7 million say. Baba, I would like him okay. Baba, Akbari wanna be good. It's in a village. I could have a village now. Did all those old school. I will old school. I was a dead build those kind of old school. With the play, you buy me some buy those rich little business for your father. We could do one small car then. Oh, you have you here. Better.